Good afternoon to all of you. The agenda of today's lecture is data type. So, what is data type? Data type is describe which type of value Python variable contain. Means it describe the type of data that variable containing. Python is a dynamic programming language which dynamically change its data type. Means we can change uh, type of data stored in variable in between the program. Unlike other programming language, we don't need to mention data type in front of variable. We will see what it is in some time. It will automatically take data type of value that's assigned to it. For example, let's look some example. If we assign a equal to 12, it automatically give a is a data type of int. If we assign 35.3 to b, it will automatically take float value. If we assign c equal to string, then it will automatically take as a string type, etc. We will see in upcoming lecture what it is in more descriptive manner. So, some standard data type in Python. There are some standard data type like number. Number have three types. Integer, that is a whole value like a 5, 29, 9348. Second is a float. Each is a point value or decimal value. We like a 5.3, 6.3, 902.232. Python also have complex data type. This basically we are not using complex data type, but Python have. We need to just take one knowledge about it. Like 5 plus 6j. 6 with j is a imaginary value. Now second data type is string. String is a like type of single character or multi-character. Unlike other programming language, in Python, a single character also treated as a string. Third is bool. This is a boolean value. It's either true or false. There are also one collection module like list. List is a type of collection. In list, we can store multiple type of data like a number, string, boolean, etc. We can also store list inside list. There is second data type of tuple, which also similar to list, but there are some advantage or disadvantage of tuple. We will see in our upcoming lecture. Third data type is set. Set is also similar with list and tuple, but it's containing only unique value. It does not contain any duplicate value. Last is dictionary. Dictionary is a key value pair. We will see what is those data type in our upcoming lecture. So let's do some practical example. Before go for practical, I want to tell about the type function. What is type function? Type function is used for getting data type of the variable in Python. For practical example, we need to open CMD. Press window key and type CMD and press enter. Now type Python. Now we are inside the Python shell. Now we are trying some data type a equal to 12. When we printing a, it is printing 12. Now check that type of with data type of a. Print type of a. It is a class of int. In Python, everything is object. Means in Python, we whatever we are using, it's like object, like a class. This is object of class int. Now check another type. 34.5. Now when we print b, it will print that value we assigned. Now check type of b. It is a float type. Now try to assign some complex value to C. This is 5J. Now when we print C, it is printing like that. Now check their type of C. This is a class of complex. Now check some string data type. D equal to A. Type of D. It is a str type. Thank you. We will see in descriptive manner in our upcoming lecture.